I once heard that when you don't know what you're doing, you start backwards. And that's precisely what I did when I started learning graphic design. When I realized I needed to learn graphic design to enhance my career, I just started looking for software tutorials to learn random skills. So learn Photoshop, Illustrator, vector graphics, pixels, HTML. My approach was learn computer skills right away, and then you'll become a graphic designer. I started to produce designs that looked amateurish and unprofessional. So I became frustrated and almost gave up. So I took a different approach. I started learning graphic design theory, graphic design principles, and how they apply to any design. And that's when my designs started to become effective and more professional. I've been teaching graphic design in college for almost 10 years now. And what I've realized is that if you don't have a solid foundation, graphic design principles from the beginning, you will never really achieve effectiveness. A design starts well before it goes into the computer. Even if you know computer skills, when you go on the blank page of the software, you will not know what to do. And that's what design principles can teach you. Design principles allow you to understand where you're going in a design. They allow you to apply tricks that will look good on the page and that will help you achieve a vocabulary that you can use in your own compositions and in your own designs. The problem with graphic design principles is that they are difficult to understand at first. After teaching graphic design to complete beginners for many years, I've come to realize the best approach to teach graphic design principles in a way that you can understand clearly, but also that you can apply to real designs. The objective with this book is to make you an effective graphic designer in the shortest amount of time possible by teaching you the core concepts of design theory in a way that you can quickly apply. I first define graphic design in a way that you can feel empowered to become a graphic designer. And then I go on to teach you the 80-20 of graphic design to quickly gain confidence in your design skills and that you can quickly apply, even if you don't know graphic design software skills. Then I go into a discussion of the role of software in graphic design and where you should start. So finally, what I'm giving you is a sound approach that you can repeat over and over to become a better graphic designer and to achieve your goals, be it for transforming your career or even just allow you to be creative and have a creative outlet. It's not too late to learn graphic design, but you need to start the right way and with the right method. So if you want to learn graphic design with less frustration in the shortest amount of time possible and for good, do yourself a favor and start learning graphic design principles.